Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to use the Evernote Chrome extension in a simple way. With Evernote, you can save website, take notes, and organize important information while browsing Chrome. So let's get started. Firstly, open Google Chrome, then visit Chrome Web Store. Now go to search bar and search for Evernote. Here you will see the first one. Click on it, then click on Add to Chrome, then Add Extension. Once the extension is installed, click on the puzzle icon and mark it as pin. Now click on the Evernote icon. Firstly, we will visit any website. Then click on the extension icon. You can sign in with your Evernote account or log in to your account. Also you can continue with Google. So I will continue with Google. Here you will see sign in successfully. Here you will see success. Now open any web page, then click on the Evernote extension. Here you will see it will processing. Once the processing is complete, click the extension icon. Here you will see you can save clip, save article, multi-select, full page, bookmark or screenshot. You can choose what you want to select, then click on save. Here you will see saving your clips and sign it. Now your web page will be saved to Evernote. Also from there you can also take a screenshot, add tasks, simplified articles, first notebook, and that's it. This is how you can use the Evernote Chrome extension easily. It is a great tool for saving idea, article and important information. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy extension tutorials. Thanks for watching.